guys, this is Akash and you all welcome to this channel. So today I am going to make a sketch of COVID-19 precautions. I don't know that how much seriously you are taking this situation, but really believe me, it's very dangerous. So I want to give a advice. I know that it's really common advice, but it's helpful for you. That don't go outside if it's not needed, because the situation day by day it's decreasing. Our mortality case is increasing and everything is falling down. So if it's needed, then go outside with a proper mask, sanitize your hands, everything. And if it's not needed, don't go outside. It's not the time for playing cricket, football, meet with friends, meet with every your special persons, everything. It's not for the time. So please don't go outside. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. Oh, 1 minute. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, then why are you waiting? Do subscribe. It's completely free. Okay, so let's start. So already I have drawn the sketch and now I am going to start the shading. Now I am starting this shading from the apple of the eye and I am using 2B pencil for doing this. This is the first tone, that's why I am using 2B pencil, and I'll cover every part of this eye with the 2B pencil, and after that I will use 4B, 6B and 10B at last. Because it is this eye is the main focusing part of this drawing, and that's why it will be more detailed. Okay. And here it's a doctor, or you can say she's a nurse, whatever you can say, but here she has weared a surgical mask, and you know that surgical mask is very light shaded mask, and the difference between skin and the mask will be done by the light and dark shade. So at first I will finish the first, second and third tone in the eye part, I mean the whole skin part, and thereafter I will go the mask and the surgical cap portion. So here I am making a shadow in the forehead, and this is a shadow of the surgical cap. Now I have started the third tone, which is the last tone of this drawing, and also I am using here 10B pencil for doing this. And also here I have started this from the apple of the eye, and because this is the most darkest part in this drawing. So here I am not using any blending materials to blend the shades, and I am doing these with the help of my fingers, which is very pressurable, and this is a normal A4 paper, that's why it's completely unable to take the pressure, and that's why you can see some glitches here, so please ignore them. So after doing every shades, now I am highlighting some portion which makes a picture very realistic. So I hope you have enjoyed this full video, and if you have enjoyed, then do like, comment down below, and subscribe this channel if you didn't do this. And there's a request to you that please don't go outside if it's not needed, and if it's really very important, then wear proper mask and sanitize your hand. So we will meet again in the next video. Till then, enjoy this sketch.